Najeriya duk kowa ya san cewa wannan fitina da ta end SARS da aka yi da ta revolution now ta shore da wannan da aka zo ake ta wannan magana harassment da sauransu magana ce ta mulki. Ana tunanin dole mulki ya koma kudancin Najeriya. Yarabawa da Inyamurai suke kulla wannan abubuwan. Tunaninsu shine lokacin sana bace wannan abubuwan da suka yi da Jin 12 da Nadeko da OPC shine ya janyo wai aka dau mulki aka danka musu a 1999. To shi sa yanzu ke ganin za su da wannan abin nan kashe.
Okay, what Mr. Sharif is saying here, he said the problem of Nigeria are the Igbos and the Yorubas. They are the ones causing all the problem in Nigeria, and Igbos are the ones doing all these killings that is going on. At the end of the day, they will label it to the Fulani headsman. They are the ones doing all the killings. Mr. Sharif, please, Igbos are not the problem of this country. The problem of this country are our present and the past leaders. They are the problem of this country. In a country whereby it's all about hatred, it's all about favoritism, it's all about tribalism that is leading the country. So what makes you think that country will move forward? What makes you think that this country will move forward, will move great? Whereby a lot of hatred is going on in this country. There is no way it's going to move forward. Since you guys have detected the problem of this country, okay, why not solve this problem once and for all by giving the Biafrans their own nation, by granting them their referendum? Let them go, since you guys said they are the problem of this country. The Yorubas too are the same, are the problem of this country. Ahmed Bola Tinubu is in support of the whole thing that is going on. Ahmed Bola Tinubu is among the people who has kept this country the way it is today. He is among the people who has succeeded in messing this country up, because he was in support of APC, and he's among the APC cabals that we Nigerians, we know about it. So why pointing fingers at the Igbos that they are the ones creating all the problem and they are the ones doing all the killing? I wonder how an Igbo man will leave his will leave southeast and start coming to the north to start killing people. All these killings is as well going on in Maiduguri and going on in the northern states. And this issue of Boko Haram started in Maiduguri. We all heard about the way this whole thing started. Started in Maiduguri, and at the end of the day, they are killing themselves. They are killing the northerners. They are killing the Maiduguri people. People can no longer come out and go to their farm. Villagers cannot do anything to help themselves. And our government refused to fight this terrorism because they are using it to enrich their pockets. A man came out confessing that whatever that is happening in the bush, that the government knows about it. That how that their cows don't give birth to AK-47, that governments are the ones supplying them the AK-47. On this administration, we have seen everything. We have seen it all. So why pointing fingers at the Igbos, that they are the ones causing all this problem? Okay, even if you think, yes, the Igbos are the problem, why can't you people come together and have a meeting and give them their own nation? Let them have their own nation. If the Yorubas want, they should have their own Oduduwa nation as well. Then Arewa will have their own nation. Then there will be peace in the country. But a country whereby the Christians don't see themselves like one with the Muslims don't see themselves like they are one with the Christians. They can't relate each other. They can't love each other anymore. It's all about hatred. It's all about tribalism. It's all about each and every one of them feeling we don't belong to the same society. We don't belong to the same culture. We don't belong to the same region. We don't belong to the same religion. This is what is leading in this country. This is what is going on. And this is what our leaders has been practicing. And the masses of this country, the citizens of this country, has taken over from them. So what makes you think this kind of a country is going to progress? What makes you think Nigeria is going to move forward? Especially this present administration. They are happy whatever that is going on in this country. They are satisfied with it. And when people come out to talk about it, when people to come out to speak about what is going on in the country that is not right, I mean, they feel like, why is she speaking? Why are they talking? They will label it as hate speech. And at the same time, they are the ones causing all the problem. They are the ones causing all the problem. They are the ones that have used their hand to destroy the country. The country is gone. Nothing is moving. And at the same time, they are busy increasing the price of fuel. Have you increased people's salary? Both the private sector and the government, have you people increased people's salary? Have they increased the salary? So that if you're increasing fuel, people will have enough money to buy the fuel and at the same time feed their families. You guys know the problem of this country, and you cannot come out to restructure the country to make sure there is peace in your country. You are busy pointing fingers at Igbos that they are the ones creating problem. They are the ones doing all the killings. And these same people you said they are doing all the killings, they are the people saying they don't want to be one Nigeria anymore. They say they don't want, they are tired, they are fed up of whatever is going on in this country. So why can't you people grant them the referendum so that there will be peace? So that there will be peace. But everyday problem, everyday issues, a country hatred is leading. A country hatred is leading. What makes you think it's going to move? There is no way Nigeria will move forward with this kind of leadership, with this kind of thing that is happening in this country. The best thing for this country, since you people knows the problem, sort the problem out, iron these issues, come together and make a meeting, move forward on the issues of this country. You know the people who are creating the problem. Let them go their way. Give them their referendum. Grant them their referendum. Let them leave. So that these killings will stop. You said the Igbos are the ones doing all the killings, so that the killings will stop. The villagers are the ones suffering. Masses are the ones suffering. Common men are the ones suffering. The rich don't suffer this. It's only the poor ones. Let's be real. It's only the poor citizens are suffering all this problem you people are creating. Igbos are not the problem of this country.